National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, north central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wheeling, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, a 60 miles per hour wind gust was measured at Pewaukee Airport. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Northbrook, Winnetka, Highwood, Northfield, Deerfield, Glenview, Highland Park, Gulf, Glencoe, Lincolnshire, Arlington Heights, Wheeling, Bannockburn, Lake Forest, Riverwoods, Prospect Heights, Buffalo Grove, Mount Prospect, Morton Grove, Niles, Wilmette, Park Ridge, Lake Bluff, Des Plaines, and Palatine. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KWO.